Hey everyone, it's Tyler here, 350Z. Going to be doing a little how-to video on how to remove the 350Z bumper and headlights. I got some work going on, so we need them off. First step is we're going to get it jacked up a bit and set on jack stands, and then I'll get back to it when I start removing the bumper. Alright guys, I got the car jacked up. If you're wondering how, with the cars being low, I got a 2.5 ton low profile, and I just go under and I make sure that it's not hitting the side skirts, that you get it in past the side skirt onto the pinch welds, and then jack it up. And then once it's up, you just put I have 2-ton jack stands, and I put it on that and then lower it back down. So that gives us enough room in the front to get everything apart. You don't have to jack the car up to do it. I've done it without it before, but it just makes it a little bit easier to get everything apart. So the next thing you guys want to do is go down to your undercarriage and remove the bolts holding the shroud onto your bumper. I hit the ground a few times with it, so I don't have much left. I think it's just this one. But you're going to want to remove those now, as well as pop the fender liners out from inside the bumper in here, so you can get to the bolts that are located here holding the fender to the bumper. I also have splitter rods, so I'm going to be taking them off right now as well. Alright, to get the fender liner off the bumper, I went in and turned the wheel to the opposite side of the car, and then you'll see when we get in here, there's 2 bolts up top holding the bumper to the fender, and then there's 1 bolt right here, this one right there, holding the bumper to the headlight. So we're going to take these 3 off, and then we'll take the 3 off on the other side. Also, these 3 are 10mm bolts, and the bolts holding the undercarriage to the bumper are 10mm as well. Alright, so this top one here, that actually holds the fender to the headlight, which does have to come off to take the headlights out, but the one for the bumper is right here. So it's this one, and then this one, and then 1 more over here. So those are the 3. This one can come out after the bumper's off, because it's kind of hard to get a wrench in sideways. So the last thing for taking the bumper off is you're going to have 6 clips on top here, and you just put a screwdriver in there and pop them off, and then once they're off, the bumper should just pull off the front, hopefully, and then you can start taking the headlights out from there. You take the clips off, and then the bumper just pulls out forward. You just got to watch out. Sometimes it gets caught on these hooks right here, so you got to pull it around them and just kind of straight out. And then for the headlights, we're just going to have 3 bolts. You're going to have 1 here holding it to the fender. You're going to have 1 here in the front. You might want to go in from over here to get it from the front. And then you're going to have 1 holding it in from the top, and then you'll just have the wiring harness as well. So I got the headlights out, and while you're doing that, when you go to unplug it, you're going to want to pull the headlight to the front a little bit. Watch out for your fenders and for this support right here. And when you get here, here's the plug, and you're going to want to push this tab in with a screwdriver with one of your hands, and then with your other hand you're going to want to pull this wire down, and then your headlight's all free. I just have some demon eyes wired in, so I have to unwire them to get the headlights out. Alright everyone, there you go. I'm 350Z, and there's your video on how to remove your bumper and headlights on your Nissan 350Z. There's my club Rogue Z, if any of you would like to join. And also the headlights, I should have taken a video before I took them off, but they might be for sale. They have red demon eyes, switchback LED, And these top corners are also changed to white running lights, and they're switched back as well. So let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.